Your vehicle has a power outlet located here, on the lower side of the center console. It can be used for small electrical devices such as cellular phones. To use the power outlet, simply open its cap. To avoid discharging the 12-volt battery, use the power outlet with the traction motor running. Also, make sure the electrical device is turned off before connecting or disconnecting it from the outlet. Please see the manufacturer's owner's manual supplied with your device for detailed information when connecting the device to an outlet. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating information.